Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm with another awesome video, which is an unboxing video. I recently received this package from Korea and I'm so excited to unbox it with you all. So this is the souvenir gift from the Korea Tourism Organization KTO to K-Friends, member of KTO's online community of K-Friends. So I'm so excited, and this is my very first gift which I'm receiving this year. So let's unbox it. So inside that, it's very secured in bubble wraps. Do you guys have any idea what would be inside this box? Actually, this one is a surprise gift for me, so I know what kind of a gift is inside of this, but I don't know exactly what kind of a product it is. So let's unbox it.
One eternity later.
Okay, the box is empty. That's all we got. And here, inside this bubble. It's a huge bubble wrap.
Meanwhile,
A little bit of ASMR. It looks cute though. I think it's an information guide about beauty play event. Like this. Let's move on to the next one. There's also Real Glow Mist Serum. The packaging is like looks so pink and it's so cute. There is another one which is Rosy Glow All Day Skin Fit Tone Up Cream. I love Korean beauty products, so I'm gonna love this, I know.
eventually,
This looks so cute. It has a little handle. Like, this one is so cute. I never imagined, like, I thought it must be only one product inside this box, but there are several products and I'm so happy. I didn't break it. So, there's like several products inside this one. I'm gonna take them all out. I like this package. This one looks so fancy. A little serum bottle. This one is by Unique. I'm gonna try this soon and share my review with you all soon, so stay tuned for the review also. And there is another one. It's a trial kit, Skin Fire 2 and Cold. I don't know what it is, but there are little packagings like many types of ampoules and also creams with moisture toner. So there are many inside this little box. I can't wait to try them. There's this little essential blended face oil. It's from 3 Blend Oil Mini. Wow, it's so pink. It's so cute. It's so tiny, but it's so cute. This one is so cute. And more like tinier than this one. And here we got a D plus cream, aloe barb this is extract, collagen extract. It's some sort of a cream, so there's a seal on it. And I'll show you this one. It's a honey polish daily ampoule mask. It's a face mask. Oh, I love Korean face mask. So like relaxing, and yeah, I don't know how to explain how I feel after putting a face mask on my face. Korean face masks are the best. And there's some more in here. There's like so many types of things. The packagings are so cute, and I love this trial kit, so I'm gonna definitely try it soon. Ribbon Sol Rosy Glow All Day Skin Fit Tone Up Cream. So let's open it. It's so nice. And this one is also Ribbon Sol Real Glow Mist Serum. As I told before, there's the seal in here. There's the seal. This one looks so, I don't know, so elegant and so unique. Can you see? There's some particles like pink color over here. It's so pretty, like rose petals. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wanna try this. And yeah, I love these products. So that's all for today, guys. I'm so excited to try them on and review with you guys soon, so stay tuned for the review video also. Thank you so much, K friends, for sending me this beautiful package, because I love it so much. And yeah, thank you so much for selecting me as one of the winners. And also you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe, and also click the bell icon down below so you won't miss any of the upcoming uploads from my YouTube channel. Like, share and comment. See you soon. 사랑해. 감사합니다. 안녕.